Today, we are at Gwatney Collision Center learning all about how to repair rock chips in your windshield. Jamie Cobb is joining me along with James Saffold. And gentlemen, I know this is something everybody deals with.
Yes.
So this is such a great topic. Jamie, windshield replacement's actually a brand new in-house service here at Gwatney Collision. So what led this to being a new service that you offer to your customers?
Well, we have to, obviously, a lot of times in a collision, we have to replace the glass. And we're calling an outside source to come in and do that. So we have scheduling we have to do, and it's a timely thing. So we felt the best thing for us to do is just bring in a professional to do glass work in-house.
Do you have to be in a wreck or collision to bring your vehicle here to get that done?
No, not at all. If you have a rock chip or a crack in your windshield and it needs to be replaced, you can get online or call us. We can set you up an appointment. We can do everything right here in the house.
I know that a lot of times insurance may cover this. So is this something that you work with insurance companies?
We work with all insurance companies on glass repair, whether it be a chip or a replacement.
So James, let's talk about the rock chips specifically. Are there places in the windshield that you'd recommend we don't need to repair this, we just need to replace the whole windshield directly?
Yes, ma'am, on the sides of it and right down the center.
Why is that?
Because you have, I don't like doing it because you could have a possibility of a crack out because the edges are real weak and the center does not have the strip along the side to help support the windshield, so I just don't recommend it.
Is there a certain number of rock chips we're able to get in our windshield before you're like, we need to replace this?
Yes, ma'am, I recommend 3. If you have any more than 3, you need to bring it in and let us replace the windshield.
Once that rock chip is repaired, is it good to go for the entirety of the life of the windshield?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there certain instructions that we need to do after that's replaced?
No, ma'am. Once we fix it, it's good to go.
Okay, pretty quick and easy. Jamie, anything else to add to that?
What size, James, is about the largest you want to repair?
I can do up to about a dime.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty
About a dime
large.
size.
Yep.
Okay.
It's a lot of factors that go into it. It just depends. They just have to bring it in and let me look at it.
And get them in as quick as possible is the
Yes,
key,
ma'am.
because you don't want it to run. So, yeah.
Jamie, I know that you have a brand new website that people can visit. What is that website?
GwatneyCollision.net.
Gentlemen, I would love to see how a rock chip is repaired. So let's go ahead and do that.
First step you want to do is you want to pick the loose glass out of the hole and just kind of take it and just kind of pick at it there. You see the little white spot?
Yeah, so you're going mainly at the white spot?
Yes, ma'am. Just
Okay.
as much as you can, get as much of that out as you can. It'll kind of... There you go. That should be good.
Okay.
And then I'll clean it, and what I'll do is instead of spraying the glass, because the liquid could get down in the hole,
Uh-huh.
you actually just want to spray a little bit on the rag, and then you want to wipe a pretty good sized area there because we're going to put a bridge on. And then you can take your brush and see if you can get some more of that out of there. If you can't, it's really no big deal.
I think I'll let you handle this part.
That'll work.
Because it's glass, plastic, thin glass. That's how these windshields are made.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. And so is this just giving it a hole for the resin to go?
Yes, ma'am. That's as far as you want to go. Because like I said, if you go down to the membrane or through the membrane, you affect the integrity of the windshield.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
And then if you do that, then you need to bring it to us so we can replace the windshield.
Okay, so once you've drilled, then what's next?
Then you'll set your bridge up. Uh-oh, it's trying to run away from me. And you want to place this directly over the entry hole that we just made.
Okay, so that's called a bridge.
The bridge is just to basically add pressure so you can get your vacuum and get your resin to actually flow inside and fill the crack up itself.
So this is the resin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then you just take the top off. You want to do it?
Yeah, so I just dropped 3 or 4 drops in there.
Probably about 5.
5?
That might be good. And just count them as you put them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And once I pop this loose, the glue's going to run down a little bit. You're going to catch it, place that square right over that little hole. Ready?
Yes. Ah. Okay, and what is this doing?
That's a little Mylar square. This is your UV light, and if you notice, it's still wet.
Yeah.
You just place that over the top of it and turn it on and give it a few seconds. And we'll pop that off. Set that out of the way. And watch this. See how it...
Oh,
I am so sorry.
who knows
Did
where
I
it
get you?
went? No, it's fine. We'll find it later. It's fine.
But just that quick. And I mean,
Wow.
you got the residual down here, but that's
Uh-huh.
underneath the square. So
So this is what the razor's for?
yes, ma'am. And what I always like to do to keep from scratching the glass, I want to put some glass cleaner on it, and then you just take it and scrape it back and forth until the glue is off.
Okay.
There you go.
Yes.
Nothing to it. You can lay that right there on that black
James,
mat.
we did a good job.
We sure did.
Well, that was super interesting to see how the process is of repairing that rock chip. One more time with that website, Jamie.
GwatneyCollision.net. You can go online or give us a call. We're located right next to Sam's Club in North Little Rock. Come see us.
Perfect. Gentlemen, thank you for your time. Always appreciate it. We'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after this.